Hi to everybody, you're welcome to my content and video. In this video that is important, that is one of the most important videos of the humanity ages. In this video, originally in this video, we will process and analyze the artificial intelligence of the future effects on our life and our different titles and different things of our life. So be with me. Please see this picture that I created for you. When you are analyzing and knowing this picture, I will continue my reality explain of reality. One tip is the artificial intelligence will come to our lives for be our assistant, not instead of us. So artificial intelligence isn't relevant or cannot affect on the present title of the different humans of the different countries at all world. Tuned tip about artificial intelligences that will come to our life is the artificial intelligence will level up our age, our humanity age, from the drone and information age to the automation age. That we will be robots and different AIs commanders. And from this, so third tip about artificial intelligences is don't worry, please increase your information about different AIs and robots. Because the different AIs and robots that will create in the future depended to their creators' different purposes and aims. Because artificial intelligences and robots, because humans created this, because humans created these. So AIs and different robots will not be dangerous or will not be healthy or will not be lie publisher or anything relevant to your purposes and anything have more value to you. Nothing will be in the future except then superpower and superpower countries is different aims and different wishes or purposes. So different AIs and robots wouldn't be dangerous or healthy. Rather, all of these will depend on the different creator of robots and AIs purposes and wishes, oh my dear watchers, all of my dear watchers. The next tip and the last tip is this picture. As you can see, the robots' memory will be electrical, and our memory was neurotic. Next tip is the robots can't tell lie to us because they are working with the data. They are working properly, digitally, 0 and 1 with the signals, with the different digital signals. My mean is 0 and 1s will create and chainly will create their informations that in their electrical based memories, robots memories. My purpose was, and In our in we have feelings because we are chemical based, and our brain is different. Our brain is different reactions create different feelings, was created different feelings because we are chemical based humans. The next step is the maybe we have spirit, robots, non-spiritual, but we are spiritual. Some humans, like Islamic humans believes is the we are spirits that came to this body, and we feel this body and judge and see and any other availabilities and etc. Next step is we are brain based, but different AIs and robots are the data science based. Their data is working with the different rules and laws of the data science. And at last, and most important of all, we are chemical based, but robots are electrical based. So my dear watchers, this was it. I hope that I'm answered to different requests and answers, and I hope I've cleared your without cause and without enough information, worries and fail, and your different fears. Anyway, thank you from your attention. Thanks. Bye.